Everybody, this is Mr. Anil. Today I am going to talk about my life happening video. Today I have come in cycle mechanics for repairing my cycle. From many days I wanted to come here for repairing my cycle, but I was so busy, that's why I couldn't able to come for repairing my bicycle. And today I was free at home, that's why today I have come here for repairing my cycle. Now mechanic uncle repairing another cycle. I think after finishing his work he will repair my cycle. I asked him how many time for repairing this cycle. He said to me that I need so little time for repairing this cycle. So I think within 10 minutes he will start to repair my cycle. Hey guys, I want to let you learn how to speak English. Please be connected with me. Start learning English from me. If you have any question about how to learn spoken English, please let me ask this question, and I will replay the answer of the question. So that's all about today. Have a good day. Thank you.